Hi, good morning. So here we'll be continuing our discussions on which one, this GATE and ESE PYQs leveling, right? Okay, so that leveling part 6 we are doing, right? Tomorrow will be the last class on this leveling at any cost, right? Because all questions, majority questions gets over, it will be left with only which one, this few questions, right? So today we'll be completing the remaining questions and just latest questions 20, 21, 22, 23, those only will be there. So they will be completed, don't worry, okay? They will be completed, no problem, right? So now here Nikhil, Ramesh, Prasad, Rajendra, Shiva, good morning everyone. Very good morning all of you, right? So here part 6 we will be discussing now. So no, this is part 6 we are discussing. 1 second. Anyone having any doubts in our previous questions? Anyone having any doubts in our previous questions? Anyone having any doubts in our previous questions? No? Okay. So if no doubts, we'll proceed further at 1 sec. Actually, I forgot to upload this PDF. Right. Right. So leveling part 6, right? Leveling part 6 and the total surveying, it is the 28th lecture, you can say. Okay. Right. All of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everybody is ready to crack. Everybody get ready to crack. Now, yeah, this is my profile, you can follow me at which, and this is a referral code you have to use, right? So if you are not following my profile, start following my profile, and you can just scan this QR code to follow my profile also, right? If you are not having my profile link, right? So I have pinned this which one, my Telegram channel, Telegram group link for the free classes. So those who are not there in our free class group, you can just join, right? You will be getting the regular updates in our free classes or special classes links. Okay, so these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy, you know already. And now these are GATE 2023 toppers within top 10 from all branches of engineering. Okay, so next time if you wanted to get your name and photo in this, you have to work hard, definitely, right? You have to work hard, definitely, right? Now what is that you are having? There is a price drop, right? On the eve of Independence Day, there is a 10% price drop, 20% off plus extra free months you will be having, right? So what is that? A referral code you have to use, all of you. RP Civil is the referral code you have to use, everyone, right? RP Civil is the referral code, right? Shruti, good morning. Now this is a fee structure you are having, right? 10% price drop plus flat 20% off plus extra free months you will be having, right? When you are taking 18 months, 3 months extra, 12 months, no extra months, 9 months, 2 months extra, 6 months, 1 extra month you will be having, right? So this is 18 months, 3 months extra, 9 months, 2 months extra, 6 months, 1 month extra you will be getting, right? So for this iconic subscription, and what is that referral code you have to use always? RP Civil is the code you have to use always, right? And now, so these are all the differences and similarities between this plus and iconic subscriptions. Okay, so what is that referral code you have to use, right? RPCB. Now there is one batch starting, right? That is accelerated batch. Koteshwar, right? R&B, right? If you wanted to go for R&B is the first preference you have to give. Then after that you have to give irrigation. Okay, after this you can give anything of your wish. So this is a new batch starting on August 11th, right? That is tomorrow new batch will be starting. Nikhil, good morning. So strategy and orientation by Jaspal sir at 4 PM will be there, and engineering mathematics by Uma Meshwar sir at 11 AM will be there, right? So don't miss this, all of you, right? So this mission batch for this 2025 also, right? Same subject will be starting and same orientation will be having, right? Right. So when you are taking this iconic subscription, you will be getting this printed notes, right? You will be getting which one? This printed notes, right? To your doorstep. Identified? Okay, very good. Yesterday it was no Diksha. Who it is? It is Nikhil only or Diksha only? Right. Yesterday we met in metro. Okay. Right. So you both met in metro yesterday? Okay. Yeah, now got it. Understood. Okay. We both met in metro, na? Understood. So you can have this scholarship test, right? So here you guess Shruti. I told you already. August 13 you will be having which one? This is 12 p.m. There is a scholarship test you are having, right? August 13 at 12 p.m. there is a scholarship test you are having. So this is a syllabus of this test will be engineering, mathematics and this general aptitude. So these are the only you are having. 20 questions will be there, 30 marks and 45 minutes. Just scan this QR code and get that. Okay, go to that link and enroll. Right, Chennai Metro. Okay, so here course on the surveying and course on the strength of materials both are ongoing now. ESE and GATE PYQs are which one? This is surveying now. Going on every day. So this is 10 a.m. to 10:45. Right, so we'll be starting this now. Before that, if you are willing to enroll for any for these upcoming batches now, you can just enroll for this 2025 batch, all of you. For this 2025 batch, you just try to enroll all of you. Right, now coming to this lecture 28, GATE and ESE PYQs, leveling. Which part we are discussing? Leveling part 6 of this surveying, right? So this is chapter 7, right? After this leveling, which chapter you want me to start from day after tomorrow? Tomorrow this leveling will get over. Day after tomorrow I'll be starting which one? This day after tomorrow means Monday. Again Monday onwards we'll start another chapter, contouring we'll do, okay? Because contouring 1 or 2 classes over, then we'll enter into the traversing or whatever it is. No. Any doubts in our previous questions, all of you? AW at a state level or JE at the central level, which one to be preferred, right? So if you are Telangana, you prefer AW because the salaries are very much higher in Telangana compared to that, you can say, okay? Because it is AE, AW level, na? So the level is higher, so promotions also will get easily. When you are selecting the JE level, na? So your level will not be upgraded according, okay? You have to be careful. No. So if no doubts, we'll proceed to our discussions. Right? Shall we proceed, everyone? Shall we proceed to our discussions, all of you? Shall we proceed to our discussions, everyone? So shall I start the poll? So I will be starting the poll, all of you. Try to select the answer. 120 seconds time I am giving. Try to solve this, all of you. Shiva only answered correctly. Yeah, Kotishwar also answered from YouTube. What about the others? "70 seconds more time." How many more days means it is depending upon the speed we are doing, okay? It is depending upon the speed we are doing, right? Mostly we are doing the 7th chapter, na? Yes or no? So mostly 10 to 15 days it will require more, okay? Mostly 2 weeks it may require. After that we'll start SOM PYQs. Sai Tej also answered correctly. 15 days mostly it will require, mostly. Because the bigger chapters are over, I think 10 to 15 days mostly, not more than that. 10 to 15 days. Maximum 2 weeks, minimum how much? 1 week. 1 week to 2 weeks in between. Gurupal, Deepak, good morning. Right. Shiva, Nikhil, Shruti answered correctly. Deepak also answered. Very good. Good evening. Arey, you are just woke up. Good morning. Okay. So RL of this floor level is 200.49 meters. The staff reading on the floor is 1.695 meters, right? So 1.695 meters, right? reading on the staff held upside down. Leveling topic is going on, right? Leveling topic is going on, Koteshwar, right? Tomorrow that leveling will be over. Again, Saturday I will not be taking the class. Monday onwards we will be having next chapter, okay? So at the bottom, what is that reading you are having? RL of this floor level is what? 200 point. This is 49. So this is your floor you are having, na? So this is your floor. You consider this floor is having which one? 200 point this 49 meters, right? 200 point this 49 meters, right? RCC. Okay, RCC, that first chapter it is going on. Okay, first chapter it is going on. Materials and specifications. And whenever you are taking that staff reading, right, what is that staff reading you are getting on the floor, everyone? What is that staff reading you are getting on this floor? 1.695, na? So that is your 1.695 you are having, right? Next, what is that you can say? Reading on the staff held upside down, again is the bottom of this roof is 3.305 meters, right? So this is your roof, this is your roof, and this is your floor, you can say, right? So with the help to this floor, to this roof, right, what is that reading it is maintaining? If you just look at what is that reading it is giving, what is that staff reading upside down? It is your 3.5 meters, na? 3.5 meters reading, you can say, right? 3.305, sorry, 3.305 meters, right? Then what you are asked to identify? Height of this ceiling is, right? So what is the height of this ceiling? Height of this ceiling means that you are asked to identify this one, that H. So how can you get this height of this ceiling? That is 1.695 plus this 3.305, na? So what it comes to be? Both together how many meters it will be? Exactly 5 meters. Is it 5 meters exactly? Right, 5 meters means, right, which option? Option C will be the correct answer. Now option C will be the correct answer, you can say, right? Now this is 52 question. Shall I go on to this 52 question, everyone? Shall I go on to this 52 question, all of you? So shall I? Right, I'll be moving on to this. Try to select the answer, everyone. 45 seconds time I'll give. Shruti only answered correctly. Right. What is that? Which of the following terms related to the leveling are correctly defined? Line of collimation. Line joining the intersection of this crosshairs to the optical center of this object glass and its continuation, right? That is your line of collimation, right? It is correct or not? Absolutely it is correct, na? Back side. The first staff reading taken after level is set up, right? First, if you are keeping the instrument, we will be taking it on the back side on this benchmark, we will be taking the foresight. True. The last staff reading prior to shifting of level or termination of this process of leveling of instrument. Yes, that is also correct, na? Now what is the fourth? Height of this instrument, right? Height of this center of this telescope above the ground where the level is set up, right? Is it the height of instrument? No, na? Height of instrument is from where, you can say this is from this mean sea level, na? From this mean sea level or this datum to that. If it is instead of ground it is given as a datum, na, then it is correct that height of instrument, right? So which option 1, 2, 3 are correct means option A will be the correct, option C will be the correct answer, na? Option C will be the correct answer, you can say it like that. Is that clear, everyone? So shall I move on to the next question? 53rd question. So I'll be moving on to this 53rd question, right? 53rd question. Try to select the answer of you. So I'm giving 120 seconds time. I'm giving. Okay, Saiteja also answered a previous question correctly. Saiteja, you write the question number and write the answer so that I can identify for which question you are answering, because there is some 10 to 15 seconds gap is there from this live to that YouTube streaming. Shiva answered correctly. Shruti also answered correctly. Sai Teja also answered correctly. Question number 53. No, the definition. We added to benchmark reduce level. That is which one? Axis level. What is that definition we have given for that? Instrument axis level we have given, a telescopic axis level. That is a different name we have given. From ground to that telescopic axis. From mean sea level to this telescopic axis, that is which one? That is height of instrument. Okay. Height of instrument, it does not mean exactly the height. Height from the datum. That is the actual definition. Okay. Anupriya, good morning. That is the telescopic axis height, right? Deepak also answered correctly, right? So what is it? You can say two stations P and Q are in the opposite banks of river. Following observations were taken, right? So can we say this is your HP, this is your HP, and this is your HQ now? So instrument at P. This is your instrument is shifted to the other point, right? That is your HP dash, and this is your which one? This is a HQ dash now. So if RL of P is 200 meters, then the RL of this Q is nearly, right? How can you find out this RL of Q? First we have to find out this delta H now, right? What is the delta H? You can say that is your HP minus this HQ plus what is that? Plus what is that? HP dash minus this HQ dash na, divided by this 2, right? What is the HP minus this HQ? 1.4 minus 3.5 na? So 1.4 minus this 3.5 plus what is that? You can say 0.6 minus 2.2, so 0.6 minus this 2.2 if you just observe, right, divided by this 2, right? What is the delta H you are getting? That is delta H is a positive or negative? Negative you are getting na, minus 1.85 meters, right? So now tell me, right, what is the reduced level of this second point Q? Equal to reduced level of this first point P plus or minus delta H, right? If minus comes minus, plus comes plus, that's it simply. What is the reduced level of this P is given? Plus 200 na, 200 minus this 1.85, right? What it comes to be 198.15 meters is the correct answer na? So is there any option with that? 198.15, that is 198.2 is present na? 198.2 is present, right? Like that option will be the correct answer, right? Is that clear everyone of you? Is that clear everyone? So shall I move to the next? Clear? Question number 54. Solve this. C. Good morning. You bring A, B, D, E, F also. Where are your friends? C, A, B, D, E, F, G, H. Those who are attending the free classes now, just join this Telegram group, so that you will be getting the updates on free classes. Okay. You two people just write the question number and answer, so that I'll identify for which question you are answering, because by the time I'm moving to the previous question, you are answering for by the time I'm moving to the next question, you are answering to the previous question only, right? Because of this delay in the streaming. Okay, this is ESE 2014. Time you want? Okay, same question na, but you have to understand and you have to read it as now. It will take more time, little bit, obviously. Shiva answered correctly. $60 seconds more time. Seconds. Sachin. Sachin, good morning. Where is Ganguly, Dravid, Sehwag? What about others? Right. Okay. So here what is that? In a leveling between the 2 points A and B on the opposite sides of river, the level was first set up near A and the staff readings on A and B were, so this is your, which one? This is HA na? At A and B, this is HA, this is HB na? Respectively. The level was then moved to B and set up, the respective staff readings were on A and B respectively. Right? On A and B, first reading is on this A, means this is your HA dash na, and this is your, which one? This is HB dash, right? So what is the true difference of level between this A and B, right? What is it you can say if we just observe? Yes, Saitij answered correctly. So what is the delta H you are getting? First of all, delta H is nothing but your, which one? HA minus this HB plus what is it? HA dash minus this HB dash divided by this 2 na. What is it? HA minus HB? 2.645 minus 2.3 na. So 2.645 minus 2.3 plus how much you can say? Plus how much you can say? 1.085. So 1.085 minus which one? This is 1.665 na. 1.665 divided by this 2, right? How much it comes to be now? That delta H comes to be which one? This is minus 0.1175 na. So what does it mean? This means that a reduced level of this B na, reduced level of this B will be equal to the reduced level of this A minus delta H we have to apply, or plus delta H we have to apply, right? Minus delta H we have to apply na, because it is minus. So can we say that reduced level of this A will be greater than the reduced level of this B, or reduced level of this B will be lesser than the reduced level of this A? By how much amount? By this much amount na, 0.1175. Is there any option? A and B are at the same level, right? This is absolutely wrong. A is below, no, A is above. Above, A is above, correct only, right? A is, okay, A is below is wrong, right? Below is wrong, right? B is below this A, correct only, but how much amount this number is wrong na? This number is wrong na, that number is wrong, you have to be careful, right? That number is wrong, right? So which one is correct? So what is that a correct value? 1175 should be the correct answer now. 1175 should be the correct answer, you can say, right? Like that. So shall I move to the next question of you? This is also ESE, which one? This is a 2024 question only. This is also which one? This ESE 2024 question only. Shall we move on to this, everyone? Shall we move on to this, all of you? Right. I'll start the poll. Right. 1 out of 5 seconds time I am giving. Try to solve this. Shiva answered correctly. Deepak also answered correctly. Shruti also answered correctly from special class. From YouTube, anybody? Vivek, good morning. Here, many of you are joining after 10:15, 10:30 like that. Shall I shift this class to 10:15 daily then? Sai Tej also answered correctly. Shall I shift this class to 10:15 or no need? No? 10 only? Okay, 11 o'clock KP sir class start na? Okay. Yeah, yes, SSG class will be there at 11 o'clock and the KP sir class will be starting at 11 o'clock. No, obviously. Yeah, that is fine. Yeah. So what is that? The staff reading of this floor, right? What is it you can say? The staff reading on this floor of a veranda of a school building is 1.815 meters, and the staff reading when held with the bottom of this staff touching the ceiling over the veranda is this much. RL of this floor is this much, and the height of this ceiling, right? What is the height of this ceiling above the floor? That is simply 1.815 backside plus this staff reading on the floor plus this staff reading on the ceiling na 2.870, right? How much it comes to be that height, you can say? Vikram, good morning. How much is the height? How many meters will be your height? You can say, all of you. 4.685, right? 4.685 meters, right? 4.685 means option B will be the correct answer, na? Right? 4.685 option B will be the correct answer. You can say, right, like that, isn't it? Now, shall I move to the next? Same question or different question? Different question only, no? Right. One 35 seconds time I am giving. Try to solve this. Uh, 80 seconds. Shiva answered correctly. %, only answer correctly. What about the remaining? Vivek also answered correctly. So anyone tell me, right, what formula we have to use for the sensitivity of this bubble tube? The leveling staff held at a distance of 200 meters, right? So 200 meters means that what is the distance D? D equal to the 200 meters if we just, so D is the 200 meters, right? Now what else? Is read at which one? This 4.54 meters with a bubble out of this center by these two divisions towards the observer. If the sensitiveness of this bubble is 25 seconds per division, right? So and one division is equal 25 seconds per division, and one division is equal to which one? This is 2 millimeter. The actual staff reading must have been, right? The actual staff reading must have been, right? How it will be? Tell me. The D is given like this, right? You are asked to identify which one? That alpha is given as which one? Alpha is given as what? 25 seconds per division, na? 25 seconds per division, right? Yes. What is that alpha we have to take? That alpha we have to take, it is equal to that S by ln we have to take, right? What is that L? What is that S? You can say here difference of this staff readings, na? S is the difference of this staff readings, na? And now tell me, right, what is that L? What is that L? Tell me. L is the length of this one division, na? L is how much? L is 200 meters, or L is the length of this one division, everyone? L is 200 meters if you just update. What is that N? You can say that is your number of divisions, na? How many number of divisions it is moving if you just observe? That is 2 divisions it is moving, na? That is 2 divisions it is moving. You can say 2 divisions it is moving, right? What is that alpha given at 25 seconds per division, na? That is your 25 seconds, right? 25 seconds per division, right? So this into which one? 206265 you are having, na? 206265 you are having, na? 25 seconds, right? Then only you will be getting this value in seconds, right? Radians to this seconds, right? Then tell me what is the S value? Then what is the S value, all of you? What is the S value you are getting? What is the S value you are getting first of all? 0.048 meters, right? 0.048 meters, right? So now if we just observe it, that delta S, S is nothing but your, can we say it is your S1 minus S2 minus this S1? Can you say that it is your S2 minus this S1, right? Yes, no? So what is the S2 minus this S1 if you just observe it? So 0.048 is equal to, so what is that? What is that you can say? Here, read it 4.54 meters with a bubble out of this, right? With bubble out of this, right? What is that you can say then? That is your yes true, right? A true reading minus this which one? This 4 point how much given? 4.54 it is given a 4.54, right? Therefore, what is that a true staff reading or this a correct staff reading? What is that a true staff reading you are getting? 4 point how much? 54 plus 0.48. What is that 4 point? How much you are getting? It is 0.48 directly or 0.4848 is also there. It's 4.588, na? 4.588 meters, right? So approximately it will be taken equal to that 4.6 meter. Can you take it? Yes. Is there any option with this 4.6 meters? So nearby option, which one is the nearby option? Option D is only that nearby answer, na? Is there any exact answer, or it is only that nearby answer? This is also nearby answer only. There is no exact answer, right? In ESE examination only these kind of things will happen. Okay, clear? Shall I move to the next question? Yeah, S equal to S true minus S wrong. Okay, S true minus S wrong, right? Yes, no. So here generally what is that we have to take it if you just observe. So here this is your staff whenever exactly, right? Okay, we are having like this. If it is a staff like this, right? This is your S2 you are getting, or this S true. Okay, this is the true reading, na? But because of this, what happens? Sensitivity. So it is the bubble is moved out of 2 divisions. When bubble is moved 2 divisions out of the original place, means now the line of sight will be horizontal or line of sight will come down. Line of sight will come down, na? Yes or no? So therefore, right, what is this one? This is your S1 will come, right? This S1 is the wrong reading, right? Wrong staff reading, and this will be your sensitivity of this bubble to alpha, right? So what is this one? This is your, which one you can say? This is your L distance, na? This is D. Okay, that is L you can say, right? That is L if you just observe. Okay, L you can say. Okay, L or capital D. Clear? So now what is the tan alpha equal to that delta S, right? From here to here it is your delta S, na? Or you can take it as S. S divided by this L. That's it. Is na? S by N by L. Clearly, isn't it? Shall we move to the next? So this 57th question, it shall be. Select the answer. 90 seconds time I am giving. 57th question. Try to write the answer, all of you. Shiva only answered correctly. Aditya Raj from YouTube also answered correctly. Deepak from Special and Vivek from Special also answered correctly. Sai Teja from YouTube also answered correctly. Shruti also answered correctly. 100% correct answer. Very good. Very, very good. Right, what is it you are having in a leveling survey? The summation of all the back sets and summation of all the foresights. Right, this is your sum of these back sides now, and this is your which one? This is sum of this foresights. Right, the reducer level of this initial benchmark. Right, so what is this? You can say this is your first point reducer level now. So then the reducer level of this last point where the staff is held is, right. What is it you are having? If you just observe, sum of this back sides minus this sum of the foresights will be equal to last point reducer level minus this first point reducer level. Sum of the back sides is 7.475 minus sum of the foresights is which one? This is 7.395 equal to last point reducer level we have to calculate minus first point reducer level is 100, right? So tell me that last point reducer level LRL how much it comes to be, all of you? That last point reducer level comes to be how many meters, all of you? How many meters is that last point reducer level, everyone? 100.08 meters, right? 100.08 meters, right? Which option is correct now? Which option is correct? Right? Option B will be the correct answer now. Right. So shall I move to this next question? Shall I? Select the answer at 45 seconds time I am giving. 58th question. Shiva Shruti answered correctly. Shiva Shruti Vivek answered from YouTube. Sorry, from Special. Right. So what is it that a rise and fall method for obtaining the reducer level of this point? Provide a check on, right? What is it you can say? Sum of this back sides minus, yeah, Saitej answer correct or wrong? Have you given correctly? Okay, correct only. Sum of the back sides minus the sum of the four sides will be equal to last point reducer level minus this first point reducer level is equal to what is it you can say? Sum of this rises na? Sum of this rises minus this sum of the falls, or sum of the falls minus sum of the rises, everyone? It is sum of the rises minus sum of the falls, or sum of the falls minus sum of the rises? Sum of the rises minus the sum of the falls na? It's correct only na? Now what is that? It is having check on four sides will be there, back sides will be there, intermediate side also will be there. Where that intermediate side comes, this rise and fall means considering the intermediate sides only, no? All the three, right? Which option is correct now, right? Option D will be the correct option, or not? Option D will be the correct option, right? So shall I move to the next question, all of you? Shall I move to the next question, right? This is 59th question, right? 45 seconds time I am giving. Try to solve this. Try to answer this. This is statements also we have written in one of the class. If you just remember, all of you, in one of the class we have written these statements. You answered correctly. Right. What is that? Which of the following options increases the sensitivity, right? Using a liquid of greater surface tension, right? So whenever you are using a liquid of this greater surface tension, right, it will move easily or it will not move easily. Greater surface tension means it will not move easily, na? Yes or no? That is wrong, right? It will not move easily means no sensitivity. Increasing the diameter of this tube, right? Yes, absolutely, right? Whenever you are increasing the diameter of this tube, it increases, na? Yes. Increasing the length of this tube, right? Yes, increasing the length of this tube also will increase, na? Decreasing the diameter. So which option is correct now? Option B only will be the correct answer, na? Option B only will be the correct answer. You can say it like that. Is it clear? So shall I move to the next question? And that is 60th question. This is question number 60. So this is option A is what? Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of which one? This is statement 1. Okay. Option B is what? Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, but statement 2 is the explanation of this statement 1 or not? No, it is not the explanation of the statement 1, right? Option C, what is it? Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false, right? Option D, statement 1 is false and this statement 2 is true, na? So just assertion they have replaced with statement 1, reason they have replaced with statement 2, that's it, right? But the same question only, is na? Select the answer of you. 45 seconds, 30 seconds time I am giving. Vivek, Shiva, Shruti answered correctly from special class. This is ESE 2017 question, okay? 2017 question. We are just nearby ending, okay? So what is that? You can say reciprocal leveling is adapted to decide the difference of this level between 2 points considerable distance apart with great precision. Yes, na? This is a repeated question. Exactly the same statements are given in the previous one. Na? Yes, Saitija from YouTube also answered correctly. Exactly the same question, that assertion reason they have changed to statement 1, statement 2. That's it. Same question, makki repeated, na? So that is why ESE you have to be very, very careful, right? Majority questions will be repeating, right? Statement 2, reciprocal leveling eliminates the errors due to curvature, refraction and collimation. Yesterday only it seems we have solved this question. So reason, statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, and statement 2 is a reason for this statement 1, absolutely, right? Yes, na? So I'll be moving on to the next question, right? Which one? Question number 61, right? Select the answer, this one. Shiva answered correctly. Saitej also answered correctly from YouTube, right? Statement 1, curvature correction must be applied when the sights are long, right? When you are taking long distance sights, na, observations, this correction must be applied, na. Line of collimation is not a level line, but it is a tangential to the level line. Yes, na? It is not a level line, it is a tangential to the level line, definitely, na. Because of this reason only we are applying, na. If you just observe, this is your which one? This is your earth, you can say. This is your earth, you can say. And what is that you are having? So that line of sight, right? So whenever you are having this same statement only. So if you just observe, so here, yeah, both are different statements now. So but they will be having relation or not. If you just observe this, right, what is it you are having? This is your level line, na? This is your which one? This red color dotted one is your which one? This is a level line, na? This is your level line, you can say, right, Kalpana? Good morning. This is your level line. And now how will be the line of sight if you just observe, everyone? The line of sight will be like this, na? So this line of sight is not a level line. It is which one? It is which one? It is a tangential to the level line, na? Therefore automatically what is that, we have to apply this much amount of this correction for this curvature now. Whenever it is long distances, this curvature for correction is compulsory or not? Yes, absolutely. Curvature correction must be applied when the sides are long. Yes, correct. Why? Line of collimation is not a level line. This is your line of collimation or this line of sight. It is not a level line but tangential to the level line. This red color is a level line. This line of collimation is tangential to the level line. Because of this reason only error occurs. So that's why we have to apply the correction. Statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is true. And what is it you can say? Statement 2 is the correct explanation of this statement 1. So which option is correct now? Option A will be the correct answer or not? Option A will be the correct answer. Is that clear everyone? Is that clear everyone? So I'll be closing. So tomorrow, so what is the tomorrow session? Tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. what is that you are having? Tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. that RCC, right? Leaderboard is not shown. Now it will not show. Okay. Yeah, because minimum 10 people are answering now, then it will show, right? Only few people are answering, it will not show. Okay. 10 people answer, then only it will show the leaderboard, otherwise it will not show. RCC. And at 10 a.m. what is that you are having? At 10 a.m. that is a leveling. Okay, that is a leveling. Which one? This is a leveling last class. Okay, leveling last class, right? After tomorrow, from Monday we'll be starting again. Which one? That a new topic. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a good day. Thank you. Yeah, but good morning. So all of you, those who are not in our free classes group, you just join this Telegram group and you will be getting the updates on these free classes. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a good day. Thank you.